Welcome to Chapter 3, Bismillah, the Hello World. In the last chapter, we installed and launched the Jupyter Notebook. Once the Jupyter environment is successfully installed, we are ready to write our first program. Our first program will not only get us started, but will ensure that the basic functionalities of Jupyter is ready for the programming. To start with, we will use the command or the default function of Python designed to print text or values on the screen. This function is written and called as print with parentheses. The syntax of the print command or function is as follows. In the parentheses, we write the value that we need to see on the screen. This value must be enclosed in double or single quotation marks. For example, if we want to print the text Bismillah using print function, we can write it in two ways as below. The first way is to write it in double quotation marks, that is print parenthesis, and under the parenthesis there is a text with the double quotation marks. And the second way is to write it in single quotation marks. Again, the function name print parenthesis, and under the parenthesis you write the text with the single quotation marks. After writing this syntax as shown in figure 1, press Shift plus Enter keys to run the cell. It will show you the output as Bismillah, which is the text written under the parentheses. In this example, we have used both double and single quotes to print the desired value in cell 1 and cell 2 respectively. The successful display of the output means that our Jupyter environment is ready to run our programs. Note that when we save our file, the extension of Jupyter Notebook is .ipynb. Here we are in the Jupyter Notebook. In cell 1, I type the text Bismillah under parentheses using double quotes, and I enter Shift plus Enter key to run the cell. The output is shown just below the cell. Next, I type the same text Bismillah with the single quotation marks and enter Shift plus Enter key to run the cell. The same output is shown even with the single quotes. Thank you and see you in the next chapter.